Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to get the link to share Google Forms in 2025. Whether you're a teacher collecting student feedback, a business owner running surveys, or just someone organizing an event, sharing Google Forms quickly is a game changer for collaboration. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you're logged into your Google account. If you aren't, head to google.com and sign in with your credentials. That's your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to Google Forms by going to forms.google.com or searching for it in your Google Apps menu. It's that simple. Now, select the form you want to share. If you don't have one ready, click on the plus blank button to create a new form. This is where the magic happens. Google Forms is intuitive and user-friendly, even in 2025. Next, look for the Send button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a click, and a pop-up window will appear with sharing options. Here, you'll see choices like email, link, or even embedding in a website. For our purpose, select the Link tab. It might say, Get a link, or something similar. Google will instantly generate a shareable link for your form. Just hit the Copy button to add it to your clipboard. This link is secure and can be customized for specific access levels, like anyone with the link or only invited users. Finally, paste that link wherever you need it, whether that's in an email, a social media post, or a group chat. And voila, your form is now accessible to others for responses. There you have it, folks, a quick and easy way to share Google Forms in just a few steps. This method keeps things efficient and ensures you're up to date with 2025's features. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.